How to download and install Meta AI app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device, and as you launch the Play Store application, simply tap on the search bar and search for Meta AI over here. So let's search for Meta AI, and as you search for it, you can see the application. Simply tap on install and just make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So after installing the application, just wait for a while until it gets installed over here. So let's tap on open, and as you tap on open, it will take us to the Meta AI application. So you just need to wait for a while until the app loads up. So let's tap on the application and let's wait for a while until it loads us to the main page of Meta AI application. So make sure you have proper connection. So after you do that, it will land us to the home page. Now what you can simply do is you can get started with Meta AI. So simply tap on it, and as you tap on the get started with Meta AI, you can simply continue with different applications, your Facebook, your Instagram, or any other accounts as well. So as you do that, you'll be able to use Meta AI and install it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.